Today we'll be going over implicit differentiation, and this will be part 1 of our implicit differentiation lessons. So say that you defined the derivative of y with respect to x of 4y squared equals 3x minus y to the fourth. Now the simplest way by far to solve these kinds of problems is to use implicit differentiation, and so let's go over the steps for that right here. You're going to want to first differentiate all terms with respect to x, and if you're going to differentiate the y variables, then if you're going to be differentiating y variables, then you should leave a dy over dx symbol next to before the terms with y variables that you're differentiating. So just leave that behind after you differentiate. If that doesn't make sense, it'll become more clear with an example. And also about this one, if you're differentiating x variables, then you're not going to be having this dy over dx symbol next to it after differentiating. I'll make this all clear with the example. Step 2. Put all terms with dy over dx on one side and those without it on the other side. And then step 3 will be isolate for dy over dx, and that'll give you your final answer. Let's go over a problem, and I'm not going to ask you to pause it. We're just going to get straight into the solution. So find the derivative of y with respect to x of 4y squared equals 3x minus y to the fourth. So that's the problem. That's the problem I just showed you in the introduction. So your first step would be to differentiate both sides with respect to, to differentiate everywhere with respect to x. So you differentiate this with respect to x, you differentiate this with respect to x, you differentiate this with respect to x. You do that for all the terms. And so we differentiate 4y squared, and so we get 8y, but then since we're differentiating y variables, we're going to leave this dy over dx term. Next, differentiate 3x. So differentiate, you get 3, and you don't leave this around. You don't leave a dy over dx term because you're not differentiating with respect to any y. You're not differentiating any y variables. Then finally, differentiating y to the fourth, you get 4y to the third, and you leave this dy over dx term here because you're differentiating y variables. Okay, next step would be to get all your terms with dy over dx onto one side and all the terms without it on the other side. So I just decided to put the dy over dx terms over here, and we'll just leave this 3 on this side, the term without a dy over dx, and then you isolate dy over dx. So this is what you do, and you get a final answer of 3 over 8y plus 4y to the third. And so that'll be your final answer, the derivative of y with respect to x of 4y squared equals 3x minus y to the fourth. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back soon.